Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is SOPHANITH. For today's video, we're going to do a makeup look, very simple. And if you guys want to know how did I make up, let's get started. First, I'm gonna start with my bare face and I'm using a sunscreen. This sunscreen is really easy to use. It's mean it have protect us face from sunlight and the textures of the products is very smooth, which make our face really smooth and brighten up, but it's not too thick. So as you guys can see, I'm blending it with my fingers, which is really easy. Next, this step is optional for those of you that have blemishes and you want to cover them up. You can use concealer on the areas that you think are still red and stuff. Apply it under my eyes, on my forehead, near my nose, and also my chins. And then I'm blending with a sponge. And next step, we're gonna take a powder that's used for setting our concealer so it doesn't wear off or look too much. So right now I'm just blending where I applied the concealer as well as where I usually swipe, but not too much. Alright, now we are done. It's time for the brows. For today's brow, we're gonna brush it first. It neatly first. Then I'm gonna use eyebrows powder and I'm mixing these two colors together. And I'm just filling in my brows based on its shape. And also I use the dark gray color because the two colors that I mix, it's really light brown, so I want it to a little dark. LOV를 붙여보면 사랑인 것 같고 Say goodbye를 붙여보면 헤어질 것 같아서 ING, just ING 내 맘은 아직 ING. Next, I'm gonna take a mascara to brush on my eyebrows to make it stand apart. So right now, the brows are done. So the next step is contouring. I'm just taking the brush loaded up with light brown color and I'm going to contour on the cheekbones. Next, with a smaller brush, take the light brown color to contour the nose to make it seem like a little more pointy.
초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여 이상하고
After contouring the nose, now it's time for the blush. So this color likes a peach color, so I'm gonna brush on my cheeks a little, on my nose and on my chin.
사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어 어쩌다 우리 여기까지 알 수 없는 비동사 플러스 ing
Now my cheeks are done, and it's time for eyeshadows. Today's eyeshadows are very easy. I use it with brow powder. I'm taking the darkest color and then apply it on my eyelids, but just on the bottom portion of my eyelids. And that is to make our eyes look a little deeper while still natural.
좋아한다고 보고 싶다고 그 말을 왜 못하니 후회할까봐 아파할까봐 망설이는 걸 너의 현재 진행형 사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어
Next, I didn't curl my lashes. I just used only mascara. Then use the same mascara that we use on our brows. Actually, mascara can help a lot when we want things to look natural, when our lashes seem thick and lively, and it will make our face look less lazy with our eyes less droopy, and it also opens our eyes a lot bigger. I'm applying it both on the top and bottom lashes.
그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니 초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던
So next is our final step, really easy, which is lipstick, which look really natural. Now I'm done.
아름다운 느낌이 좋아
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. Thank you for watching.
사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어 어쩌다 우리 여기까지 알 수 없는 비동사 플러스 ing LOV를 붙여보면 사랑인 것 같아
Bye guys.